about different kinds of drinks and ones that are good for our teeth or bad for our teeth. So
Okay.
if you were to go to the dentist, what's one thing the dentist would tell you is not very good for your teeth?
Candy.
Candy. What's so bad about candy?
It has a lot of sugar in it.
Yeah, and sugar can cause cavities. So there's one other thing that's not very good for our teeth, and that's called acid. You say acid?
Acid.
So acid is found in a lot of drinks. It usually kind of tastes sour. And so what we're going to do today is find out which one of these drinks has acid in it, has enough to be bad for our teeth. So to do that, we've got these special little test papers right here. So what color are these papers right now?
Green.
They are green. So I'm going to give you an example first. So if I dip this test paper into something that has acid in it, what color does it turn?
Orange. Orange.
It turns orange. Now, if there is something that does not have any acid in it, what color does it turn?
Darker green, kind of.
Yeah, so green means it's good, orange means it's got some acid in it. Okay. And depending on the age of the visitor, you can either stop there with just the two colors, or they can compare them to a pH chart. So this chart has the acidity. It's a 1 through 13 or 0 through 13 scale on here. And anything, the lower the numbers, the higher the acidity. So anything that is about a 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0 would have enough acid to damage the enamel on your teeth. And obviously the lower the number, the more damage it could do. So for some of the visitors, if they want to go ahead and match it up and see if they can pick out which number it corresponds to, then they can decide exactly how much acid is in there. So you want to go ahead and test your drinks?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see here. Okay. I'm going to test Diet Coke first. Let's see here. Ooh. It turned kind of orange.
So which number do you think is closest to?
I'm a 3 or 4, kind of like right in the middle.
So do you think the Diet Coke would be good for your teeth or bad for your
No,
teeth?
bad for your teeth.
How come?
Because it has acid in it.
Because it has some acid in it.
Alright, let's see. Grapefruit juice. I think this is going to have acid in it too.
That's right. We forgot to make our predictions.
Yep, kind of the same thing.
Now with grapefruit juice, so a lot of juices we drink are pretty healthy for us, even if they're bad for our teeth. So what's something we could do after drinking a healthy juice that would make it a little bit better?
You could brush your teeth.
That's right. You could brush your teeth, or you could wash your mouth out with water if you don't have a toothbrush. Those are both good things to do. So after they do, we've got one tray, and each tray will have at least one thing that's not acidic, which would basically be water or milk, and then an assortment of other sodas or juices. And once they try the ones on their tray, they can move over to, or you can switch their drinks out, so they can try all the ones that are available. Do you have any questions?
No.
All
That's
right.
pretty cool.
Alright, so one other thing they can do if they're really interested in the exactly how much acid is in there is we have a digital pH meter they can use. So all they need to do is, once it's loaded up, dip it in, and it'll give them an exact number so they can test a little more precisely.